Hey everyone, it's Brett from Duluth back here to talk to you today about the most stylish bag of its size. This is our Sportsman's kit bag. And this bag is stunning. It features this reinforced leather bottom, which adds structure to the bag. It's super easy to clean, can wipe things down easily, which we'll get to a little bit later on why that's so important for one of the main uses of this bag. But it just looks great. It's made to look very similar to our Sportsman's duffel so that you can get these as a set. You can use this to put your toiletries in as extra storage, and it clips with this D-ring onto the outside of your Sportsman's duffel where the detachable shoulder strap clips on. So this way, if you're carrying a lot in your duffel, you can have this handsome accessory clipped to the outside so everyone can see how great it looks and how much it looks like your Sportsman's duffel, and fit more inside your duffel. They're always going to be kept together. You don't have to worry about them getting separated in the car. You don't have to worry about carrying both of them. You can just throw them over your shoulder and go. This also has this leather loop on one side, so you can hang it in your bathroom. You can hang it in your closet. You can grab it and carry it this way. Just a super nice touch. It looks great as well. So as I said, there are several different uses for this bag, but the main use that we hear it used for is a toiletry bag. Now, this is a perfect size to keep all of your toiletries in. It looks great when you take it with you on trips, in your hotel room, in your own bathroom. If you have guests over, you don't have to worry about hiding where you keep your toiletries. This is going to look nice all the time. But it also has on the inside, it's a very simple main pocket, but it has this awesome lining. So it's super easy to clean things out of. It adds an extra layer to keep moisture off of your products on the inside. The leather bottom's great for that as well. It keeps moisture away from the bag. It's super easy to clean. So this bag is just absolutely perfect as a toiletry bag. But it's not limited to just this. It's great for several different uses. I picked this camo color to show you. This is our Mossy Oak camo color. We get it from our friends at Mossy Oak. It's currently available in all of our canvas styles. It looks great. This is a great bag for your hunting supplies. You can take a couple calls. You can take some ammunition out with you into the field. It's super compact. You can slide this under the back seat of your truck when you're going out into the field. You're going to know where everything is. But it's also great to leave at the hunting shack. It looks great. Doesn't take up a whole lot of space. It's going to keep things organized. You can also use this as storage. This is great to keep in your closet or in your nightstand to keep all your ties separate from everything else in your closet. It's great for your dress socks. Any small trinkets that you want to keep away from everything else. It makes for a great first aid kit. It's a great size for that. Again, it slides underneath the seats of your car. It takes up that awkward space in the corner of your trunk. It's just a great, versatile design. As always, our products are proudly made in the USA. They feature a lifetime guarantee on craftsmanship and hardware as well. So thanks for tuning in about our Sportsman's kit bag. I can't wait to share something else with you next time.